Now, part 3 of this error propagation. So now, if we have a quantity such as this, let us say y is equal to x square, then what will be the error here? So in this case, what I can do is I can use y as x into x. So this makes us delta y by y will be equal to delta x by x plus delta x by x, and it becomes 2 delta x by x. So delta y by y becomes 2 delta x by x, and if I define delta y, then it will be equal to 2 delta x by x into y. So this y is equal to x square, so 2 delta x by x into x square, so 1 power goes, so this becomes 2x delta x. So delta y equal to this much. Now if we can we can extend the same thing for this also. If we have y equal to x cube, then I can make it as x square into x. So what I can do here is, so delta y by y should be equal to delta x square by x square plus delta x by x. So this becomes 2 delta x by x plus delta x by x, and it becomes 3 delta x by x. So it's because this x square is equal to y here, so this x square equal to y here, so it's 2 delta x by x. So then our delta y will be equal to 3 delta x by x into y, which is equal to x cube. So it becomes x, and this power goes 3x square delta x, 3x square then delta x. So that means if I have a relation like this, if I have y equal to x to the power n, then I have delta y should be equal to n x power n minus 1 and then delta x. So we can extend the formula somewhat like this. And now if I have a quantity such as this, for example, y is equal to 1 by x, then what I can do here is delta y by y is equal to delta 1 by 1 plus delta x by x, which we have done already done here. So delta 1 is 0, so this becomes 0, equal to simply delta x by x. So then delta y will be equal to delta x by x into y, equal to delta x by x into 1 by x. So this gives us, it's equal to delta x by x square. So in this case, delta y should be equal to delta x by x square. Now same thing can be extended for this also. So if I have y equal to 1 by x square, then I'll have delta y by y should be equal to, this becomes delta 1 by 1, it doesn't count, so it is simply delta x square by x square, which is equal to 2 delta x by x. So then delta y will be equal to 2 delta x by x into y, which is equal to 2 delta x by x into 1 by x square, and that will be equal to 2 delta x divided x cube. So this can also be extended. So if I have got to y equal to 1 by x to power n, then delta y should be equal to, in the numerator it will be n delta x, and in the denominator it will be equal to x power n plus 1. So in this way we can extend the formula in several ways to propagate our errors.